Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility, SD, SDHC, or SDXC, because capacity and file system differ. Once done, inspect the card and reader for dust and unlock the small Write Protect switch. That prevents failed transfers. Now, orient the gold contacts toward the reader slot and gently push until you feel a soft click or resistance. If using an adapter, seat it first. This direct sequence avoids misreads, prevents physical damage, and gets you ready for the reader to initialize. Plug the card reader into a reliable USB port, preferably USB 3.0 for faster transfer. Avoid cheap hubs that can drop power. Once connected, wait for the system to detect and mount the card. Drivers normally load automatically on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next, open your file manager or disk utility to confirm the device name, capacity, and file system. This tells you whether formatting or repair is needed. If the card doesn't mount, try a different port or adapter before deeper troubleshooting. Begin transfers using drag and drop or a sync tool. Watch estimated time and transfer speed to detect stalls. Once transfer is complete, always use the operating system's eject or unmount command. This flushes caches and prevents corruption. After ejection, remove the card. If the card is unreadable, reseat it and try another reader or port. If still failing, run a file system repair utility or test on another computer. That single troubleshooting step, swapping the reader, resolves most connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.